posture higher, up straight.
Hurts my right eye.
Breathe. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe in. Push out. Sleeping is very good. Push out. Ear to left shoulder. Push out. Push out. Push in. Push up out, sorry. Do the core exercises. Holes are definitely getting better, but stay there a second and just watch each red one go past you. Watch each red one go past you.